Hey everyone, I just wanted to share with you some of the best tips on how to cure your impotence. One of these tips is guaranteed to rev up your sex drive, support performance, and boost your energy and focus throughout the day. So make sure you watch the whole video to find out which one will save your sex life and fix your impotence naturally and forever. Because the best sex starts between your ears, you must focus your attention on certain things which directly influence your brain's ability to coordinate your sexual performance. The first tip on how to cure your impotence is to eat foods that fuel your body correctly. Sex requires mental dexterity. The foods which interfere with your ability to think clearly are just as important to take into consideration as the foods which increase mental dexterity and improve sexual function. If you want to get rid of ED permanently, then it's important to stay away from foods which can disrupt your body's natural cycles and make erectile dysfunction problems worse. It is just not about eating healthy. You also need to be eating foods which fuel your brain, increase your blood flow, and increase your energy levels. The second tip on how impotence can be treated is the use of exercises that strengthen your core sex muscles and keep you physically fit. Let's face it, sex requires a heck of a lot of energy to be able to last long enough to fulfill both yourself and your partner. Exercises increase energy, but going on for daily walks isn't going to improve the strength or hardness of your erections. Just like you can't go on a 2-mile jog twice a week then run a marathon the next month. When it comes to sex, you need to specifically exercise the correct muscle groups to prepare for long-lasting sex. If you're physically unfit, you're just not going to be able to go the distance. This is one of the reasons why ED is such a common ailment among older men. The fitness gained during your youth tends to have evaporated by the age of 25. Tip number 3 to cure your impotence is the use of the Survive in Bed system. The Survive in Bed system encompasses all these tips that will be talked about in this video, and is entirely a natural system designed in a highly comprehensive format to assist men who undergo the embarrassing condition of erectile dysfunction, and help them find a permanent cure and add vitality to their sex life. And these are the results that they saw. Majority of the men who use the Survive in Bed system regained their sex life. They also received a boost in performance in bed. They were able to be harder and last longer. The Survive in Bed system has helped thousands of men reverse their ED forever. These men no longer have to use the expensive drugs or dangerous treatments. I have left a link in the description. This is where you can get your hands on their Survive in Bed system, a proven system that has helped a number of men reverse their ED forever. And it can help you too, so don't wait. Also, I encourage anyone that found anything else that worked for them to feel free to let others know in the comment section of this video below. The last and fourth tip for curing your impotence forever is mental preparation for sexual encounters. Basically, you just need to get your mind right. Without making the adjustments to your diet or exercise, you may find it difficult to think clearly. Mental dexterity is key to solving the sexual problems. But in order to be able to gain full control over your erections, you need to understand the order in which your sexual programs must work. This will ensure that you activate your sexual programs in the correct order. Performance anxiety is a byproduct of not understanding the order in which your sexual programs work, and is constantly being triggered because you are unsure or uncertain of how to proceed before or during sex when you feel your erection waning. So that concludes my video on 4 of the best tips to cure your impotence. I hope I have helped you in some small way, and best of luck, and thanks again.